Students, welcome to accountancy class. I am NARSIMULU, commerce teacher. In this video, I am going to teach you CEC first year accountancy. Students, in the previous videos, I have explained about subsidiary books. There are total 8 subsidiary books, namely 1 purchase book, 2 purchase returns book, 3 sales book, 4 sales returns book, 5 cash book, 6 bills receivable book, 7 bills payable book, 8 and last and final one, that is journal proper. So all these general subsidiary books were explained in the previous videos. So in the annual examination, you will be given one problem from this chapter, subsidiary books. So here one problem given, and I will explain how to solve the problem, and this type of problem will come in the annual examination for 5 marks. So whenever you will be given a question for 5 marks from this chapter, you have to solve the problem the way in which I am going to explain in this video. See students, here accountancy first year subsidiary books, from that 5 marks question. The question will be given like this, and you observe. I will read it out carefully, you listen it. Enter the following transactions in the proper subsidiary books. Here you are not asked to prepare specific type of subsidiary book. Based on the information that is given in this problem, you need to analyze and you need to prepare the required subsidiary books. See here, if you observe the transactions, first January 1st 2012 purchased goods from Varsha, rupees 10,500, and January 2nd 2012 purchased goods from Sarita, rupees 5,000, and January 3rd returned goods to Varsha, rupees 300. And here what we can understand that on January 1st we purchased the goods from Varsha, and here we returned some of the defected goods to Varsha on January 3rd. And come to January 8th, purchased goods from Bhavana, rupees 2,000, and 10th January returned goods to Sarita, rupees 500. See here, on January 2nd we purchased some goods from Sarita, and in that we find some defected goods and wanted to return, and we returned here on January 10th to Sarita. So returned goods to Sarita, rupees 500, and 15th January purchased from Meghana, rupees 3,500. These are the transactions that are given in this problem, and you are asked to prepare required and necessary or proper subsidiary books for the given information. So if you observe the entire information, what we can understand that in this information we can go to find 2 types of transactions. One is purchases and another is purchase returns. If you observe carefully the entire problem and transactions, what we come to know that, so here only 2 types of transactions are there. One is purchases, another is purchase returns. So here we need to prepare 2 subsidiary books. One is purchase book, another is purchase returns book. Okay students, so here I already prepared the proformas. Just you observe here in the solution, you can go to write the heads of subsidiary books. First one, purchase book, that is already written here. So in the purchase book there will be 5 columns: date column, particulars column, inward invoice number, ledger folio number, amount. And come to next one, purchase returns books. Purchase returns book. Okay, so first one purchase book, second one purchase returns book, and in this book there will be 5 columns. So what are the columns? So you observe, first column is meant for date, and second column is meant for particulars, third column is meant for debit note, and fourth column is meant for ledger folio number, and fifth column is meant for amount. Okay students, right. Here we can go to solve this problem after understanding this information. After preparation of two subsidiary books, we can go to enter one by one transaction in the purchase book as well as in the purchase returns book. See, on January 1st 2012, purchased goods from Varsha. So it is a credit transaction, comes in the purchase book. First you can go to write the date 2012 January 1st, and this problem was given in May 2014. Here this problem was given in May 2014 intermediate IPA exams, IP intermediate public examinations. In the intermediate public examination May 2014, this problem was given for 5 marks. Okay student, right. So purchased goods from Varsha. Here date you can go to write January 1st. Here you must not use to or by, just you can go to write name of the person Varsha from whom we purchase the goods, and imaginary number or assumed number, that is 1, inward invoice number, LF number we can't use here, and the amount is rupees 10,500. Like this we can go to write, and come to second transaction, purchased goods from Sarita. It is a credit transaction, it comes in the purchase book. So, and I know that what are the transactions we are going to record in the purchase book and what are the transactions we can't record in the purchase book. So we can go to record only credit transactions in the purchase book. We must not record cash transactions in the purchase book, as well as purchase of assets information also we must not record in the purchase book. These are the conditions which I already explained in the previous videos. And come to next one, purchase goods from Sarita. It is a credit transaction that comes in the purchase book. Date to January 2nd, here Sarita, and inward invoice number 2, amount rupees 5,000. Okay, so come to next one, third, January 3rd, return goods to Varsha. Here on January 1st we purchased goods and those goods are returned to Varsha. So come to write in the purchase returns book 2012 January 3rd, to whom we are Varsha. Go to write here Varsha, debit note number, imaginary number or assumed number you can go to give. So that is 1, and amount of rupees 300. Amount of rupees 300. Right. Come to next one. Purchased goods from Bhavana. It is a credit transaction, comes in the purchase book. So date 8 Bhavana. Amount here inward invoice number 3. And amount of rupees 2,000. Here 2,000. Come to next one. Return goods to Sarita. Return goods to Sarita. Date 10th. Sarita. And debit note number 2. Amount of rupees 500. Okay, come to next one. Purchased from Meghana. It is a credit transaction, so comes in the purchase book. Date 15 Meghana, and inward invoice number 4, amount 3,300. So I think we entered all the transactions that are given in the problem. So after entering all the transactions in the subsidiary books, you can go to calculate the total in the amount column. So here, if you calculate the total in the amount column, you may get 20,800. So total Similarly, come to purchase returns. If you calculate the total amount here, you may get 800. So write in the particulars column total. So like this you can go to prepare subsidiary books for the given problem in the annual examination. Students, once let me repeat all the points that I have explained here. So one problem in the annual examination will be given from the chapter, that is subsidiary books, for 5 marks. So the problem will be given like this. So enter the following transactions in the proper subsidiary books. This problem was given in intermediate public examination May 2014. So what are the transactions are there? You see, January 1, 2012, purchased goods from Varsha, that is 10,500, credit transaction, it comes in the purchase book. And come to January 2nd, purchased goods from Sarita, rupees 5,000, it is also credit transaction, comes in the purchase book. And come to 3rd, January 3rd, returned goods to Varsha, rupees 300, that is the purchase returns, comes in the purchase returns book. And come to next one, purchased goods from Bhavana, rupees 2,000. So it is a purchase, credit purchases, so credit transaction comes in the purchase book. So we already, we can go to show it in the purchase book. And return to goods to Sarita. So another day we purchase the goods from Sarita, and now we are returning the goods to Sarita, that is treated as a purchase returns, and purchase returns we can go to write it in the purchase returns book. And come to next one, purchased goods from Meghana, it is a credit transaction, comes in the purchase book. So after analyzing all these transactions, we can go to ask ourselves what the subsidiary books we need to prepare for these transactions. So if you observe, there are only 2 types of transactions, one purchases and another is purchase returns. So for the purchases we can go to prepare one subsidiary book, that is purchase book. For the purchase returns we can go to prepare one more book, that is purchase returns book. So like this we can go to prepare the purchase book as well as purchase returns book, the pro formas. After that we can go to enter all the transactions in the purchase book as well as purchase returns book and calculate the total and show the total amount. If you prepare like this, you will get 5 marks in the annual examination. Students, I hope you understood how to solve the problem when you are given the problem from subsidiary books from first year accountancy for 5 marks. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.